Alright, we're back. I got the pump housing off of the motor. This is a motor. You got your key stock, your shaft, and this is the screw that holds the impeller under the shaft. Tools you'll need is a 3/8 nut runner, a standard screwdriver, 9/16 wrench, and a 1/2 inch wrench. Now I used the nut runner to take these 10 bolts out of the housing to separate it. Right here, right here, right here, you know, so forth. Then these two bolts right here go in the bottom, right here, and right here, and go through the housing right here. So you won't be able to take this housing off of the motor until you take these two off also. Once you take those off, this housing is going to come off. And if you want to see inside here, that's what it looks like. The product they use is the red you're seeing. So then you have the housing that goes over the impeller. Those are taken off by two little flathead screws. You take those off. Here and here, the seat will come off. Now also, I wanted to show you this. This is a flapper that will close, and you can see that it has closed, and it'll close to keep the water from going in the reverse, which can harm the pump. So you're going to take this guy off. It's going to come off. It's the back side of it. You can see that that's the way that the water is distributed. You're going to take this nut off, again with your flathead screwdriver. Take that guy off, and you're going to check the seal in there. The seal on this guy looks pretty good. So there you got that. Then if you can see right here, you have an O-ring that goes around the top of this, because the water is going to flow out that way, or in this way, out that way. And then you got another seal right here for the shaft. Now, I presume that you took these 4 bolts off to get this off. That's not the case. This goes on here like this. As you can see, there's 4 bolts. Those are 9/16, and that's what I use this 9/16 wrench for. Right here. So you're going to take those off, the single slide off, then you'll have it completely disassembled. Now you're just going to make sure to check these O-rings and this O-ring right here. Make sure when you put it back together that you lube these O-rings up. It's essential with your O-ring lube that comes on the truck. Clean this up as best as you can. If you find anything wrong with these, like the seals or anything, replace as needed. And if you have any questions, please contact your supervisor or go to aefresno.com.